If you're replacing your neutral safety switch because it's worn out, or maybe you're converting your shifter in your Classic, we've got you covered. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1967 through 72 GM neutral safety switches. Neutral safety switches are essential to proper operation of your shifting system. The neutral safety switch prevents your vehicle from starting in gear and also activates the backup lights. Our switches are manufactured to OEM specifications for authenticity and perfect fit. Each switch features an ABS plastic body with metal bracket. In addition, we include the correctly located prongs for a straightforward installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.